Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. I am sorry. I am here to tell you that I'm still doing makeup, I'm still doing freelancing, I still work within the industry, and I'm still playing with the makeup, like the crazy makeup that I usually like to do. And I've decided today to make a video dedicated to 420. 420 is coming up in a couple days, and fingers crossed, I hope I have time to finish editing this video. But I just wanted to talk to you about how cannabis is introduced into the beauty industry. Within the last couple of years, more and more brands are coming up with products that are infused with specially CBD, and let me tell you that the products are pretty exciting. Today I'm gonna do an eye makeup look with the two products that I have with CBD. As soon as I saw this palette, I was like, okay, I have to have this. So today I'm gonna be using this beautiful palette by Makeup Revolution from the UK. It's called the Chill palette. And come on, look at this packaging, it's just amazing. And look at it inside. These colors are stunning. I cannot wait to use this. I haven't tried it yet, so today is gonna be the first time. And the other product that I have, it's the Milk Makeup, the Kush Mascara. Here. I do have a plant here beside me that's one of our baby plants. Actually, cannabis plants are good house plants because they help freshen up the air, and I do like the smell, and for me they just look beautiful. She's gonna be here with me today. Alright, so let's get started. I'm gonna start priming up my skin and my eyes. For my eyes, I'm gonna use NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. And for my face, I'm gonna use Milk, the Hydro Grape Primer. This one is very hydrating. I have dry skin, so this one is one of my favorites. I'm just gonna work from the center of my face. And then you see this bounce back on the skin. Look, you see? This is the perfect base to make your makeup last long. This is the kind of primer I love for long lasting makeup. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the brows. I'm gonna use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. Just light strokes, just following my natural shape. And to create a little bit more texture, I'm going to be using also NYX. This is the Brow Tint Pen and also Espresso. Alright. And then I'm going to use my Shiseido Concealer to sharpen up a little bit my brow with Makeup Forever 226 brush. I'm gonna take the chance here with this concealer and already correct my inner corner because it's a little bit darker. There you go, brows are ready. We're gonna go and start working on my eyes. I actually don't know what look I'm gonna do, but I definitely have my eyes on this green, and this green, they're just stunning. Let's just see how it goes. I'm gonna start with a small brush. This one's from Coral Beauty. It's the crease blender. I'm gonna start working from my outer corner. I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. We'll see. Let's see what's gonna happen. With the darkest shade they have in this palette, it's called Burn. I'm gonna start working from the outer corner. I'm gonna bring it up here into my crease. That's where I'm gonna cut it. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna come with the concealer afterwards. And then with a bigger blending brush, I am gonna work with these two greens here, Plant and Leaf. And then with another smaller brush, also from Cole Beauty, I'm gonna work with the color Plant, the dark green one. Just on top of where I did the dark brown. And to cut the crease, I'm gonna do a mix of the NARS eye primer with the Shiseido concealer. I find that it's much better when you mix the concealer with the primer. And I'm gonna go ahead with the same precise brush from Makeup Forever that I cut in my brows. I'm gonna cut the crease. Now it's the time for what I'm most excited for. It's this glitter in this palette. It's just absolutely stunning. I am gonna do the dark one that's called Bud in the outer corner towards the center, and then I'm gonna do Goddess in the inner corner with a little bit of the Candy Land, this one over here, in the inner corner. And then let's do Goddess. Just pressing in. Remember that these are glitter shadows, so if you just sweep around, nothing's gonna stick. You have to really press in. If you have a glitter glue, you can also mix the glitter glue with the concealer to make this happen. Can you guys see? And now for my inner corner, I'm gonna be using a Sephora Collection brush. The drawing detail, I like to use this one in my inner corner, and I'm gonna do the Candy Line. Alright, this is how it's looking right now. Let's go and do the other side. Alright, so this is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do the liner. For the liner, I'm gonna be using NYX, the vinyl liquid liner in the black one. Like this, and now I'm gonna do the other side. Liner is done. I'm gonna do my waterline now using a NARS Velvet Eyeliner in shade Caliste. I want to keep this video short, not too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my skin, and I'll be right back so we can finish the eyes together. Alright, so I'm back. My skin is ready. Let's finish up the eyes. So with the same NARS pencil that I did on my waterline, I'm gonna apply a little bit more, but just on top of my lashes, on the bottom, just so I can smoke this eyeliner. And I'm gonna use a smudge brush from Sephora Collection to smoke the liner down. And I'm gonna go back to my beautiful palette, and I'm gonna use Plant, again close to the waterline, and then I'm gonna smoke down with Leaf. So with the same brush, I'm gonna apply right on top of the pencil. And then I'm gonna go with a bigger smudge brush. I am gonna do Leaf, which is the lighter green. Here, so it creates that smokiness that's the same as on the top of my eye, just like this, with the same highlighter that I used on my cheekbones and my nose and my lips, or pretty much all over my face. Is the Anastasia one. I'm gonna highlight underneath my brows and the inner corners of my eyes. We are almost ready to finish up my look. I'm gonna do the Milk Mascara. I think this look calls for lashes. Let's do lashes too, but let's do first the mascara. So for lashes today, I'm gonna do Velour Lashes. Trust me, try it is the name. Alright. Alright, we're looking good. I do love this look. I do recommend this palette. To finish up this look, I am just gonna do my lips. I'm gonna do YSL number 70, it's their classic nude. Alright, so this look is ready. I am really digging it. I love glitters, and these shades of greens are stunning. They're beautiful. As I said before, I do recommend you getting this palette. I am gonna go ahead and enjoy my day. If you are for 420, have fun, but please behave, please be mindful, and please be safe. If you're not for 420, just leave it as a regular day. You know, just let it be, let it go. And I hope you all have a great week, and I'll see you soon, hopefully. Bye bye.